Welcome to Lakay, the new social media platform built for Haitians, by Haitians. A place where culture meets technology, where friends connect, and where your voice is heard. For too long, Haitian users have had to rely on foreign platforms that don't always reflect their values, their language, or their creativity. Lakay changes that. It's a space where you can share your stories, your art, your videos, and your dreams, all while celebrating the rich diversity of Haitian culture. Getting started is incredibly simple. On the login page, you can create an account with just your email and a password, or even faster, with your phone number and a one-time code sent via SMS. No complex forms. No waiting. Just you, your profile picture, and a world of possibilities. New users can sign up right now at this link, https://globalinternetpy-taujacsczkcheckSBOBVSN6.streamlit.app. It's that easy. Once you're in, you'll see the feed, a lively stream of posts from your friends and the community. Share text, images, videos, and even links to YouTube or other platforms. React with emojis, comment, and reply, just like you'd expect from a modern social network. And thanks to our smart cord shuffle, you'll always see a mix of content from different users, so no one dominates the conversation. Connect with friends and family through our friends and chat section. Send friend requests, accept or reject them, and once you're friends, you can chat privately with text and media sharing, make video calls with crystal clear Jitsi integration, and share photos and files securely. It's the perfect way to keep in touch with loved ones, whether they're next door or across the ocean. Want to share a moment live? Start a live session, choose between an in-app camera or connect to YouTube, Facebook, or Twitch. Your viewers can send you virtual gifts via MonCash or NATCASH, supporting you in real time. It's a game changer for creators, artists, and entrepreneurs. Create photo albums to organize your favorite memories. Upload multiple photos, set visibility, public or private, and share them with friends. Your wall becomes a visual diary of your life. But that's not all. Explore the satellite map for fun Starlink tracking, watch every match of the FIFA World Cup 2026 for free via integrated streams, and use our Groq-powered search to discover books, tutorials, and videos. Just type what you're looking for. Lakay speaks your language. Switch between English, French, Spanish, and Haitian Creole with a single click. Even the AI voice explanation adapts to your choice, and for Creole, we use the beautiful French voice to ensure you still get the full experience. For the platform owner, a secure owner space provides a dashboard with balance and uptime, new user sign-up reports, post-moderation tools, gift management and payouts, user management, ban and unban, and monitoring of active video calls. It's the control center that keeps the community safe and thriving. This platform was built with love and expertise by Gesner Deslandes, engineer-in-chief at GlobalInternet.py. With over a decade of experience in Python and full-stack development, Gesner created Lakay to give Haitians a modern, secure, and fun space to interact online. And if you're a business, content creator, or community leader who wants to partner on this platform for the Haitian community, we'd love to hear from you. At GlobalInternet.py, we also offer professional advertising and marketing video production for your brand, so get in touch with us through the phone and email below. We're always happy to connect and collaborate. Phone, 509-4738-5663. Email, deslandes78@gmail.com. WhatsApp, +509-4738-5663. Lakay is more than an app, it's a movement. A digital home where Haitian culture shines and technology serves the people. Whether you're sharing a funny video, calling a business partner, or watching the World Cup with friends, you belong here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today using the link I just gave you, invite your friends, and let's build the future of Haitian social media together. Lakay, home is home.